Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say don't worry. And we go there together. Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say don't worry.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of me. Another, I won't say get ready, it's basically on hair installment. And this one was like super full. Like this hair is like super full. It's 180 density. Like it is super full and super big. I put mousse on it and spray to like thin it down. Hey guys, I'm so sorry for this part. The hair is from Upgradeu hair. I just thought it was mega look because it came in the mega look box, but the company is still Upgradeu like the previous company. I'm so sorry for the misunderstanding. And in the box, it comes with this little pouch. And in the pouch, there is 2 boxes of lashes. Ashley, 2 boxes of lashes. The little to help you elastic band, but a silk band to help you lay your edges down. A brush to help you, lay your baby hair, which I did not do in this video. I don't know, me and baby hair, I haven't like got my thing with baby hair. I'm still working on that. And it comes with the wig cap. So yeah, that's everything that came in here. I know it came with 2 lashes for a fact, which it did. 2 lashes. And yeah, that's what came with that. And I might just stick this on the side of my hair. But welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Saygbah. Of course, I'm from West Africa, Liberia. And if this your first time stopping by my channel, I just want to say welcome. Okay, I'm going to stand up to show you the length of the hair. This is what the hair look like. And again, I put mousse in it. Mousse hairspray, because it's big when it's not like dry. So I try to like keep it down. So I put a lot of mousse and conditioner in it. That's why it look like this. So this is the hair. Good morning, my people. How you doing? I hope all is well with y'all. Everything is good on my end, except for the fact that I'm hungry. And it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up on a Friday. Let's get into this, okay? You start off with your ball cap method. Your ball cap method is when you get your stocking cap, you put it on your head, you spray it with the Got To Be gel or Bad Head or the new spray Ebon, I think that's what it's pronounced. I'm not next to it so I can see the name on it. But you see it in the video. You just use that over and over. You blow dry it till everything get hard and tacky. Don't forget to constantly check on it. Make sure it's dry. No stickiness is going on. Make sure it's fully dry. Then you can cut the stocking cap. You can cut the stocking cap all the way however way you want. Like I always say, once you get done cutting the stocking cap, do not forget to lay down the edges that's going to be sticking out with some gel, okay? That's important because that's part of the main ingredient. Because if you don't lay that down, all your wig, your frontal, you would literally see that underneath of that, and you don't want to see that. The whole point of doing the ball cap method is for you to look like you're bald headed, okay? Don't forget that. When you get done, blow dry it like I always do. This process is long, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's very tedious, but it's what we gotta do, so we do what we gotta do, okay? So you keep doing that. Again, the hair is from Upgradeu hair. When I get done blow drying it, I use my little alcohol wipe thing to make sure I wipe my edges. And when I get done, I use my Ruby Kiss foundation in the little pot thing to just make sure I do my ball cap method everywhere. And when I get done again, I clean it with the alcohol swipe. And I know a lot of people that work in the hospital, so they just bring me like the leftover merchandise. That's how I have all the alcohol swipe. Don't ask me why and how, even though I just snitch on myself. But anyway, so that's how I get it. And when I get done, I put some Ruby Kiss in the wig. Then I do the placement on my head. I try not to over plug this hair, but I think I should have plugged it more because this hair was a lot of hair, okay? It was a lot of hair. It's like a lot of hair. I think moving forward, I'll probably just do 150 density. 180 to 200, yeah, it be super full. And you have to plug your life away, okay? So, yeah, I'm putting my gel on my edges when I get done. I blow dry it again, as usual. You know the routine, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, if you're not new here, then you know the routine. But if you're new, just blow dry till it become tacky. If you want to use 2, 3 layers, it's up to you. I usually one, cause I'm the type of girl I don't like sleeping in wigs. I literally take off my wigs the same night when I get home. I don't sleep in wigs. I don't got time. I like being bald headed in peace. Okay, bald me out. Anyway, so I do that all the way. Keep making sure my wig is aligned. Okay, one step at a time, layer by layer, corner by corner. Don't try to rush it, because if you rush it, baby girl, that's when everything goes all the way left. But yeah, like I was saying, this wig is super full. So if you like your hair big, go right ahead. Super, super full, good quality. You put some mousse and conditioner in this thing, your curls be looking spiffy, okay? Spiffy to the T, okay? So don't forget to, yeah, keep doing it, apply it everywhere. Use the small teeth comb to push that lace into the skin, okay? Into the skin. Once you use that small teeth comb and blow dry on top of it, I promise you everything becomes so easy. Do I talk too much? I know I talk a lot. But let's keep going, okay? So I apply that everywhere, little step at a time, blow dry as I go. I was gonna do a side part first. I should have did a side part. I think when I wear it again, I would do a side part, because the hair is a lot, so it look better. But anyway, so I end up doing the middle part. You know, I'm always doing middle part anyway. I need to switch it up. So yeah, I just did my middle part. Then again, I blow dry it. Let's just keep watching.
Cole, he's my miracle child. So how does your miracle child get cancer? How does that happen?
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Honest, once I got done doing this part, laying the got to be glue, gel, and like everything like this, I literally just tie my head and apply my finishing powder to the edges. That's how I literally lay my edges. I apply that, and I promise you, I just tie it all the way up. I go do my makeup, get done, and it be laid. But if there's a lot of videos of me showing y'all how I do it, like my previous video I have on here, I show y'all how I melt it. But if you want to see more videos, let me know. Sometimes I just try not to make the videos too long. But you just basically, when you get done doing this, apply a finishing powder, spray it, and tie it up. That's all I did. It was easy. So if you want you watch to the end, I just want to say Thanks for watching. Welcome. My name is Saygbah. I hope you get something from this video. I hope you learn something. I hope we can teach each other something. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the hair, I'm not lying to y'all, like, it's 180 density. This thing is like full, okay? It's a lot of hair. It's
The nigga where that you bang